Are you looking to enhance your investment strategy and achieve long-term success? Well, look no further, because today we're going to dive into the wisdom of one of the greatest investors of all time, Warren Buffett. His investing principles have stood the test of time, and in this video, we'll uncover his 7 timeless investing tips that can help you navigate the exciting world of investing. But before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community of knowledgeable investors. Now let's get started. Number 1. Invest in low-cost index funds. Buffett's first tip is to invest in low-cost index funds, specifically the S&P 500. This strategy allows you to consistently grow your retirement savings. By buying into a diverse range of big companies, you'll ride the wave of the market's overall performance. It's a simple, yet effective approach that makes sense in any market condition. Number 2. Stay the course. When the market experiences fluctuations, it's easy to get swept up in fear and consider selling your investments. But Buffett advises against this knee-jerk reaction. Instead, he recommends staying the course and maintaining a long-term perspective. By weathering the storm, you'll reap the rewards of a resilient investment portfolio. Number 3. Don't bet on individual stocks. Buffett warns against the risky practice of stock picking. Rather than trying to select individual winners, he suggests investing in a broad range of companies through the S&P 500. This approach ensures that your portfolio remains diversified and reduces the risk associated with betting on a single company's success. Number 4. Pay attention to fees. Costs matter when it comes to investing. Buffett emphasizes the importance of low-cost index funds and highlights the negative impact high management fees can have on your returns. By opting for low-cost investment options, you'll keep more of your hard-earned money working for you, allowing it to grow over time. Number 5. Start early. Time is your greatest ally in the world of investing, and Buffett advises getting started as soon as possible. The earlier you begin, the longer your investments have to compound and grow. So don't wait. Start building your investment snowball now, and let time work its magic. Number 6. Do your own research. Buffett stresses the importance of educating yourself about your investments. Understand what you're investing in and have confidence in your decisions. Don't let the opinions of others sway you if you've done your due diligence. Trust your own judgment and make choices based on your knowledge and research. Number 7. Keep a long-term view. Buffett advocates for maintaining a long-term perspective when it comes to investing. Short-term market fluctuations shouldn't distract you from your ultimate goal. By focusing on significant gains in purchasing power over your investing lifetime, you'll be better equipped to ride out the inevitable ups and downs of the market. And there you have it. Warren Buffett's 7 timeless investing tips that can serve as your guiding principles on your investment journey. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to stay updated with our latest investment tips and strategies.